So today we're going to talk about the difference between builder's risk insurance and home insurance. So homeowners involved with new home construction or remodeling are often under the misconception that their home insurance policy provides the necessary insurance coverage for their construction project. But in reality, a homeowner's policy does not provide comprehensive course of insurance for many types of exposures during the cost of construction, leaving you, the homeowner, vulnerable for financial losses. So we definitely want to talk about why we need both policies. Okay, number one, builder's risk insurance has a broader scope than homeowner's insurance. So builder's risk for remodels or new home construction is the best coverage because you get comprehensive coverage under the construction, under one policy and covering the home, rather than having two policies. So it'll cover theft of building materials like fire, vandalism, property owned by subcontractors and suppliers that are in the home. Since a home is vacant, it can be like a bigger target for something to go wrong because no one's there, hence builder's risk insurance. There's also additional coverages you can put on it, and we'll connect you with a homeowner's agent that will explain that. So let's talk about the next issue. Builder's risk will provide higher coverage limits than a homeowner's policy. So let's give an example of that. Let's say you have debris removed after a loss. So with the builder's risk plan, typically they'll cover $50,000 up to a project of $5 million. And I don't do projects more than $5 million. So let's just call it that. A typical homeowner's policy is limited to 5% of the dwelling. So say your dwelling coverage is $600,000, your cleanup cost is limited to $3,000. Whereas on a builder's risk, it's up to $50,000. That's a significant difference. So you're not going to be really paying for anything that goes over the $3,000 if you have the proper builder's risk coverage. So the standard policy term for home construction on builder's risk is 12 months. We normally say take that policy because you can be prorated for any months you don't use. If you buy a 6-month policy, they don't prorate it. So if you don't use all of the 6 months, you lose it. If you do have any questions about the difference between the builder's risk and the home insurance, and you need help getting this type of policy, please don't hesitate to message me and I'll be happy to refer you to a source. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.